Here is my take on 80s home computer magic. As a kid I was blown away by pixel graphics and games like Space Invaders, an alien world to be explored. That's why in this playlist I present my dream home computer, the Minimal 64. To me, it's the shortest path from TTL to Space Invaders. In my previous videos I released emulators written in C++ and Java processing, so why create another one? Well, this one is running in your browser just a click away and is by far the easiest way of getting in touch with the Minimal 64. Follow the link in the video description to experience the Minimal in full screen mode, or take a look at the JavaScript source code. It's a direct port of my processing code and I'm using the P5.js library here. If you want to learn more about the actual implementation of the emulator, there's also a link in the description. Now give it a try yourself, dive into the world of TTL home computers and explore the potential of the Minimal 64 from the comfort of your browser. See you in the next video, where I'll finally be releasing the PCB. Take care, bye.